In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the charms in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by ensuring that your crafting bench is fully upgraded. Now, as you can see, mine is fully upgraded, but that's not enough to actually unlock all of the charms. What you're going to need to do is actually have in your inventory the different things that each charm needs. So for example, having the wool thread, the sand claw, the cut amber, the flexwood rods for the health charm. Now, if you just wanted a regular health charm, you would just need some silk thread, a wolf claw, and some bone. Now, for the other charms, if you want to unlock all of them, you're going to need to go into some caves to get the bright core and the blast core from the blasters that are near the lava. You're going to need some wool thread from the sheep, some ruby from the caves as well, and just some things that are very easy to find, such as copper bars, sand shells, obsidian slabs, some more wool, and some rough amber and brute scale. That's pretty much it. You also need some malachite slabs, some arctic claws, and frost shells, and sand brute scales, heavy wool thread, and things like that. As soon as you have these in your inventory, you are going to unlock these charms, and you are going to unlock a few of them before you even have those items, as long as you upgrade your crafting bench. Now, all of these items are pretty simple to find if you are playing pretty consistently. All you have to do is just look around the caves and get all of these items. These two might be the hardest to get. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.